Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In this video, I am going to draw Vampirina who is riding on her broomstick. Let's start drawing. I start with her eyes. Then I draw the shape of her head. And also her nose and her smiling mouth. And eyebrows too. Now I am going to draw her hair with batwing pigtail. Then I draw her neck and arms like this. And her necklace too. Now I am going to draw her dress with these lines. She is sitting on her broomstick. I draw her boots and broomstick. Now I am using this black marker to make it more visible and lovely. Now it's time to color the Vampirina. I start coloring with her entirely black hair. Her hair once turned pink, which frustrated her in Fangless. She dresses in a light magenta top and black dress. That's why I use this color for her top. And black for the rest. Good job! Now I am using this whitener for spiderweb pattern. And black for her boots and some orange too. I use dark brown marker for the broom and orange for the knot. And pink color for this. Great! Vampirina is a young vampire with periwinkle skin, so I use this watercolor for her skin. And pink color for her fingerless gloves. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.